Okay, now let us do question number 3. 15 envelopes cost rupees 10.50. How many envelopes can be bought for rupees 70, and what will be the cost of 35 envelopes? So here in this question we have two parts. Okay, so in the first part we have to find how many envelopes can be bought for rupees 70. Okay, that means number of envelopes. Okay, and in the second part what will be the cost of 35 envelopes. Okay, so first let us find for this part. Okay, first part. So what is given? 15 envelopes cost rupees 10.50. So that means number of envelopes that can be bought for rupees 10.50 is how much? 15. Okay, so we'll write number of envelopes for rupees 10.50. So for rupees 10.50, how much envelopes we are getting? 15, right? So we'll write here 15. So this is for rupees 10.50. Now we have to find for rupee 1. Okay, so that means what we have to divide. So number of envelopes for rupees 1. So for 1 rupee how much envelopes will get? How will we find? We have to divide 15 by 10.50. That will be rupees 15 divided by 10. Oh sorry, not rupees, because this is a number, right? So 15 divided by 10.50. Okay, so this much envelopes will get for rupee 1. Now how many envelopes can be bought for rupees 70? So for 70 rupees how many envelopes can be bought? So this we have to multiply with 70. Okay, to get the number of envelopes. So I'll write number of envelopes for rupees 70. So I'll multiply this with 70. Get 70 into 15 divided by this 10.50. Okay, so as you can see there is a decimal point, right? So we'll remove the decimal point. We have 70 into 15 and 1050. Now if you are removing the decimal point, then what we have to do? We have to multiply with the number of digits after decimal point, right? So here how many digits are there after decimal point? 2, right? That means you have to multiply with 100. And where will multiply? Not in the numerator. Okay, not in the denominator. Okay, we'll multiply in the numerator because this decimal point is in the denominator part. So here you have to multiply in the numerator with 100. Then you can cancel 0 0 and 5 3s are 5 2s are 10 and 1 in 5 1 are 5. Again we can cancel 5 2s are 10. This we can cancel with 3, right? 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Again this we can cancel with 7, 7 10s are 70. So what we are getting? 10 into 5, that is 50, and then 50 into 2 is 100. So that means for rupees 70 we are getting 100 envelopes. Okay, so our first part is done. Now second part is what will be the cost of 35 envelopes. Okay, you have to find the cost of 35 envelopes. So in order to find the cost of 35 envelopes, first you have to find the cost of 1 envelope. After that we'll multiply with 35. Okay, to get the cost of 35 envelopes. So this will get from here only. Okay, so again we'll write cost of, see, cost of 15 envelopes is how much? Rupees 10.50, right? So from here we can get cost of 1 envelope. So cost of 1 envelope will be how much? You have to divide because we are finding less, right? So you have to divide. So it will be rupees 10.50 divided by 15. Okay, now what we have to find? What will be the cost of 35 envelopes? So we'll multiply this with 35. So cost of 35 envelopes. So this cost means rupees, right? So just write rupees 35 into 10.50 divided by 15. Again same thing, we have a decimal point here, so we'll remove the decimal point. So we'll get rupees 35 into 1050 divided by 15. Now you see this decimal part is in the numerator, right? So we have to multiply in the denominator, and after 0.2 digit, so we have to multiply with 100. Again we can cancel 0 0 then we can cancel with 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Then we can cancel with 3, right? 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. Again we can cancel 5 7s are 35, right? So what we are getting? We are getting 7 into 7, that is 49, and in the denominator we are getting 2, 49 by 2. So this one we can divide. So 49 by 2, if you divide, 2 2s are 4, 0, 9, 2 4s are 8, 1. You can put a decimal point 0, and then 2 5s are 10. Okay, that means we'll get 24.5 pies, cost of 35 envelopes. Okay, you can put a 0 also here, no problem. Okay, so the cost of 35 envelopes is rupees 24.50.